A viral video has now claimed that premium egg brand Eggo's contains traces of banned antibiotics that could be cancerous, sparking panic, of course, across the board and forcing the company now to issue repeated clarification. So what exactly is the allegation here? The controversy began after a video by a YouTube testing channel called Trustified, which says that it usually conducts blind laboratory tests of food products. It does this and puts out those videos on their platform. So Eggo's here is one of the companies that they tried to check. According to this YouTube channel that's done this independent test, it says they tested a batch of Eggo's eggs and they detected traces of two banned substances, that's nitrofuran and nitrimidazole. These are the two chemicals that they say was found in Eggo's eggs, and that's illegal in poultry farming in India and across the world. They are sometimes misused, though, to prevent infections in hens and to keep egg production stable. Trustified, which is that YouTube channel there, claims that its lab analysis found residues of these substances in eggs, including AOZ, a metabolite linked to nitrofuran. Now, why this matters a lot is because these are the two banned substances that the Indian food safety rules has warned against. In fact, they are classified as genotoxic. That means that they have a potential to even alter your DNA and may increase risk of cancer. As public pressure now mounting, consumers began demanding answers and scrutiny of food safety oversight. Eggo's has responded, though. After all the criticism and doubts that have been raised post that video, Eggo's has responded, and on December 9th, in fact, in a statement, the company issued a clarification stating that its eggs are safe and fully compliant with FSSAI standards. In fact, they also responded to News9's request and provided their reports as well, what they've done, an independent test that they've carried out on their own to verify these claims. Eggo says that the trace residues, when detected, can sometimes come from environmental sources such as contaminated groundwater and not from antibiotic use in poultry. They say we use none. In fact, Eggo's reiterated its position on multiple platforms, even to us, saying that its eggs are safe and free from banned antibiotics, pesticides and drugs. The founder, Abhishek Negi, has also released a detailed statement calling the claims as misleading and panic-inducing. To support its stance, Eggo's got fresh tests done by NABL, accredited lab, Fair Labs. In fact, the report says, which is now available on the company's website too, that all antibiotic residues are below measurable limits. No banned pesticides are detected.